Hello friends, welcome to my channel. These are Sahasra and Yashwan. Today we are going to learn about a country which is very neighbor to our country. The country is Bangladesh. Now we shall have a look on facts about Bangladesh. This is the political map of Bangladesh. Country Bangladesh, capital city Dhaka, currency Taka, national language Bengali. In Bangladesh got independence on 26th March 1971. Bangladesh became republic country on 16th December 1972. Total area of Bangladesh is 1,48,460 square kilometers. Population of Bangladesh is 16.3 crores. Bangladesh is the eighth most populated country in the world. Number of states are 8. It is bordering by Myanmar to the south, east and India to the west, north and east. Bangladesh shares borders with the Indian states of West Bengal, Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram. Father of Bangladesh is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Parliament of Bangladesh is Jatiya Sanshad. National symbols of Bangladesh. National flag, rectangular flag with a red disc slightly left side on a dark green banner. National anthem, Amar Sonar Bangla. National sport, Kabaddi. National festival, Pavela Baisakhi. National river, Jamuna. National tree, mango. National fruit, jackfruit. National flower, lily. National animal, Royal Bengal tiger. National bird, magpie robin. Thank you friends. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe.